Welcome to another episode of Jay Leno's Garage. You know, we like to feature all kinds of cool tools here at the shop, especially American-made tools. And this one comes out of Ohio. This is called Snap-Track, and it's a half-ton lift. And if you're doing restoration work where you're lifting bodies or engines or just about anything, this is the way to go. We love all this kind of neat stuff. Bernard, come on in here. We've had this thing about a week and a half, and we've been playing with it. This is a 1966 Ford 7-liter, just like the one my dad used to own, and we're storing it. And obviously, we're going to take the body off the chassis, and we could have 5, 6 guys lifting and, you know, getting phony workers' comp claims and all that kind of stuff. Or we could just use the Snap-Track. What do you want to tell us about this, Bernard?
Well, Snap-Track is really neat because it comes like a kit. You know, you can get different heights, different lengths, different widths. It's custom built to whatever need you have. This one is pretty standard except for the second beam across.
Right.
We've added the second beam, which doubles our load capacity from a half-ton to a ton, and it makes it really neat. You see when we lift the body off, you can lift both ends of it,
right,
come up nice and straight rather than trying to find the center of gravity, get this thing all
right.
tippy.
And how long did it take us to get this? About a day?
Yeah, it took about a day.
Yeah, it's about a day to set it up. And the nice thing is, if you got a normal shop, you can drive the cars in and out and around it, so it's not like you're taking up a lot of space and blocking anything. Now, where are they in Ohio? Where'd you say it was?
Austintown, Ohio.
Austintown, Ohio. It doesn't get any more American than that. Austintown, Ohio. All right, let's see what we got to do here. Okay.
Well, the guy's been working on it all day,
yeah,
trying to get this body ready to unbolt.
Yeah.
So.
Now, obviously, you know, when you do a complete off the chassis restoration, this is what you got to do. You got to lift the body off, and it's still pretty heavy. And you don't want to crack anything, and you don't want to cause anything to flex. So we got all our straps in.
Come on, George.
Okay.
All right,
Ready to go. We'll get Per and George, get the gang in here.
All right.
Okay.
Ready?
Show you how this thing works.
Oh, yours down a little bit.
Very cool.
One body.
There we go. Now you can obviously wheel the chassis out. We got our go jacks. And as you can see, we got some sandblasting and some powder coating to do. But that's, chassis aren't built like they are now. Boy, that's, it's not much of a chassis, not a lot of cross bracing or anything on that, but that's what they did back in the 60s. That's the way they made them. As you can see, you can lower the body back down.
Yeah, what we'll do next, we'll put a dolly under it so we can move the body
right.
around on its own.
Right. But the nice thing is you can use this to lift transmissions, do whatever you want. What's their website?
It's snaptrack.com.
Snaptrack.com. And it's made in America. And it's, you know, it's got all the warranty stuff. It's very cool. It's very cool.
It's actually sold throughout various distributors. Like so
yeah, we dealt directly
all over the place.
I saw an advertised in a magazine, so we called them, and we dealt directly with the factory. And, you know, it's just like a big Lego set. It goes together pretty easy. We put it together in one day. And should have done this 2 years ago. So remember, snaptrack.com. Check it out.